Let's be real. Prepositions can be sneaky. Ever wondered if you should say in spite of the rain or despite the rain, or puzzled over when to use between and among? Don't worry, you are not alone in this. In my years of experience as a teacher, I've heard many of my learners confuse this, and I've been correcting it over time. So I guess this is your own right time to learn them. In today's lesson, I'm going to be breaking down 5 pairs of tricky prepositions that trip people off all the time. So stick with me and you'll never second guess them again. I am Tutu Adewale, and all I do here is to help you better your conversation. Let's kick things off with the biggest question. In spite versus despite. Are they different? Actually, not really. Both mean although or even though. They express contrast. In spite of can be used in this way. We went hiking in spite of the rain. We can use despite the same way too. We went hiking despite the rain. So what's the difference? Only this. In spite of is always followed by of, while despite is not. So it is wrong to say despite of the rain, while it is right to say despite the rain. Both can also be used to start a sentence. Just remember to include a comma after the prepositional phrase, as in spite of the rain, comma, we went hiking. Despite the rain, comma, despite the rain, comma, we went hiking. Do you understand? Next up is between and among. These seem simple until they are not. Between is used for two people or things. For example, the money was shared between John and Lisa, two people, while among is used for three or more. For example, the money was shared among the whole team. But here is where it gets tricky. If you are talking about individual relationships in a group, you can still use between. As in, there was tension between the players of the team. So, two things, you use between. A group as a whole, you use among. Individual relationships in a group, between can sneak back in. Now, let's tackle due to and owing to. They look like twins, but there's a subtle grammar point to note. Both mean because of, but due to usually follows a noun or the verb to be. For instance, the flight was delayed due to fog. Owing to often follows a verb. Often follows a verb. For example, the flight was delayed owing to bad weather. Owing to bad weather. In modern English, they are often used interchangeably. But if you want to sound super polished, follow the pattern I just explained. Due to, you use it after be. That is, after is, was, were. Owing to, use it after actions, after verbs. This one is interesting. Because of and thanks to. Have you used them before? Both explain reasons, but there is a vibe difference. Because of means something is neutral or negative. It refers to, it is used for something neutral or negative. For example, the game was cancelled because of the storm. The game was cancelled because of the storm. Negative. Why thanks to is used in positive tone. For example, the party was amazing thanks to great planning. Thanks to great planning. You can say, we were late because of traffic. That is neutral. We got a discount thanks to my friend. That one is positive. But avoid using thanks to for negative events unless you are being sarcastic. Last but not least, on time and in time. This one always causes mix-ups. But get it now. On time means punctual, exact time. For example, the train arrived on time at 8 a.m. I got to the meeting on time, that is at the exact time. While in time means before it's too late. You were there, but you got there before it was too late. Think of it like this. On time is like clockwork, exactly when planned. In time, it means just early enough to avoid missing something. You can be late, but still in time. For example, we arrived late, but in time for the event. Now it's your turn. Which pair have you mixed up before? Drop your own example sentences in the comments and let's help each other get it right. If this video helped, smash the like button, share it with your English learning friends, and subscribe for more super clear lessons just like this one. I'll see you in the next class.